In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the feature on TikTok so that it can suggest your account to the people who are watching similar content to what you are making. So this is an auto promoting feature by TikTok that it suggests your channel or suggest your videos automatically to the people with a similar interest. So if you want to enable this option, this is very simple to do. All you have to do is just click on the bottom right hand corner and click on your profile icon. And from here, we click on the top right hand corner where you see these three lines. Click on that and head over to the settings and privacy. Now, once we are in the settings and privacy, we will scroll all the way down to this section where it says content and display. And under that, right at the bottom, you will see this contacts and location option. Click on that and there you go. The first option says suggest your account to others. Very useful feature. It says suggest your accounts to others. So that can include your contacts, your Facebook friends, and people who open or links to send you. So the persons with similar interest, you can enable them as well. So these are the three options for all the suggestions for your channel. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.